France upgrades tank recovery vehicle. Advanced preparation for missions in the Middle East. France recently announced updates to their tank recovery vehicles, which will be used in missions in the Middle East. Tank recovery vehicles, or armored recovery vehicles, ARVs, are crucial assets in military operations. This update aims to improve the vehicle's ability to support and protect tanks operating in hazardous environments. One of the key updates is the enhancement of the vehicle's protection system. This includes additional protective layers that can guard the crew against direct hits and mine blasts. This update is especially important in the high-risk regions of the Middle East. In addition, the navigation and communication systems have also been upgraded. With the integration of the latest GPS technology, the vehicle can coordinate better with other ground forces. More advanced communication capabilities enable more efficient links with command centers and other units on the battlefield. French tank recovery vehicles are now equipped with more robust equipment for the recovery and repair of damaged tanks. This includes improved winches and winch systems to handle tanks in difficult terrain conditions, such as rocky or sandy terrain. These changes speed up the response in the case of trapped or damaged tanks on the battlefield, allowing military operations to proceed without a hitch. The operational efficiency of tank recovery vehicles is now significantly improved. France worked closely with industry partners to develop and test these updates. Extensive trials ensured the vehicle could operate safely and effectively in the Middle East. The upgraded automatic firefighting system adds an extra level of safety for the crew. The system can detect and extinguish fires quickly, protecting personnel from the risk of injury. Upgraded tank recovery vehicles reinforce France's commitment to the safety of their troops. Safer and more efficient vehicles ensure optimal protection when carrying out missions in dangerous regions. These updates reflect the evolution of modern military technology. France continues to innovate to ensure their troops are best equipped to meet the challenges in the Middle East. This update also strengthens the partnership between the French military and the country's defense industry. Together, they have created more robust and reliable vehicles. With improved tank recovery vehicles, France will be able to better carry out missions in the Middle East. These vehicles will be an essential part of successful and safe military operations in the region. The upgraded tank recovery vehicles also provide added value to France's international military operations. Their more robust and efficient capabilities can support Allied forces in joint missions. In addition to supporting military operations, the upgraded tank recovery vehicles can also be used in humanitarian aid missions. The ability to move in difficult terrain allows these vehicles to assist in rescue and relief missions. France remains committed to innovating military technology to keep their troops safe and effective.